Good day. Have you ever tried to imagine a world without animals? Not just a world without your dog or the birds in the park. I mean a world utterly devoid of them. A silent planet. The air still, unstirred by the flap of a wing. The forests eerily quiet. The oceans a vast, empty blue. It is a sterile, desolate image. And I am here today to argue that this desolation would not just be an aesthetic loss, but a fundamental collapse of human civilization as we know it. The importance of animals to humankind is not a matter of sentimentality. It is a profound and intricate tapestry woven into the very fabric of our survival, our progress, and our identity. Let's begin with the most tangible, the most critical: ecosystem services. This is the academic term for the life support systems that the natural world provides for free. And animals are the primary engineers of these systems. Consider the food you eat. Roughly 3/4 of the world's leading food crops depend, to some degree, on animal pollinators. The bee, the butterfly, the bat, even the humble fly, are performing an intricate ballet of fertilization every single day. Without them, our grocery stores would be nearly empty. The apple in your hand, the coffee in your cup, the almonds in your pastry, they are all gifts from these tireless animal partners. But it goes deeper. Animals are the great gardeners of our planet. When a bird eats a fruit and flies miles away, it is planting a future forest. When vast herds of herbivores graze, they prevent the overgrowth of dominant grasses, allowing a greater diversity of plant life to flourish. In the soil beneath our feet, earthworms and countless invertebrates aerate the ground, recycle nutrients, and create the fertile loam upon which all agriculture depends. They are the planet's circulatory and digestive systems. To remove them would be to sever our planet's arteries. Beyond maintaining the world around us, animals have been our silent partners in understanding the world within us. The field of medicine would be unrecognizable without them. From the development of vaccines and antibiotics to our understanding of genetics and complex diseases like cancer, animal models have been indispensable. The humble fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, shares about 60% of its genes with humans, allowing us to unravel the fundamental mysteries of heredity. The zebrafish helps us understand organ development in real time. This is not a comfortable truth for many, but it is a truth nonetheless. Millions of human lives have been saved and improved because of the biological secrets we have been permitted to learn from the animal kingdom. And what of our technological progress? We often see ourselves as the planet's supreme innovators, yet we are constantly learning from blueprints perfected over millions of years of evolution. This is the field of biomimicry. The nose of the Japanese bullet train was redesigned based on the beak of a kingfisher, allowing it to travel faster and more quietly. Scientists are studying the skin of sharks to create antibacterial surfaces for hospitals, and the structure of termite mounds to design self-cooling buildings. The animal kingdom is a living library of solutions to some of the most complex engineering challenges we face. And yet, perhaps their most profound contribution is the one hardest to quantify. It is the one that touches our spirit, our culture, and our very psyche. Since the first humans painted bison and horses on cave walls, animals have been our symbols, our gods, our companions, and our mirrors. They populate our myths, our fables, our art, and our language. We speak of being brave as a lion or wise as an owl. They are woven into the very stories we tell ourselves about who we are. The biologist E.O. Wilson called this innate connection biophilia, the urge to affiliate with other forms of life. It's the peace we feel watching fish in an aquarium, the unconditional bond we share with a companion animal that demonstrably lowers our blood pressure and reduces feelings of loneliness. It is the raw, breathtaking awe of seeing a whale breach the ocean's surface or hearing a wolf howl in the distance. These moments connect us to something larger than ourselves. They remind us that we are not masters of a dead planet, but members of a vibrant, living family. So, when we ask, why are animals important? We are asking the wrong question. It is like a lung asking why the heart is important. We are not separate entities. Their fate is our fate. Their health is our health. Their disappearance is not just the loss of beautiful creatures. It is the silencing of our oldest teachers, the dismantling of our life support systems, and the erasure of a fundamental part of our own humanity. The preservation of the animal kingdom is, therefore, not an act of charity. It is the most critical act of self preservation we can possibly undertake. Thank you.